Happy Sunday, everyone. Good afternoon. Here is Mother Nature Obomoto 1. Today, my topic is about twin flame. I would like to speak with una about the difference between twin flame and soulmate. Make una for understand am. Soulmate na person wey maybe be your partner or you marry am put for house. The person wey you fit trust, wey you love, wey you fit cry go give. Go to if anything dey. The person wey dey your heart, wey you know say you fit trust with all your heart, na im be soulmate. But twin flame dey different. Twin flame and soulmate no be the same thing. Twin flame relationship dey more stronger than soulmate. Twin flame relationship na the strongest mirror of your own self. If you dey see the other person, e be like say you dey see your own self inside mirror. E dey more intensive, the relationship between twin flames. Twin flames dey come to help each other to complete the purpose wetin make dem come life. Na im be the twin flame for inside. E fit be say dem be lovers, e fit be say dem no be lovers, but the connection is deep between them. And twin flames cannot be separated, even though they no see each other for 1 month or some weeks, but they still dey get each other connection. They still dey contact each other through telepathy. Before this one think on this one, the other one don know wetin this one dey think, even though the other one no dey with am or near am. Sometimes wetin this one think, the other one don already hear am for im head. Maybe this one dey think say make the other one call am or something. The next thing wey you go see, the phone go ring. Even the relationship wey dey between twin flames, people wey even dey see two of them for outside go know say something dey between these people. No be say dem only be soulmate. Dem no only just be couple. Twin flame relationship be like one soul inside two body. That is why if something hurt this one, automatically the other one don already dey feel the pains. If something dey bother this one, automatically the other one don carry the connection. That one don already dey feel the pains of the other one. Most of them, if una look them well, they even dey look alike. Who see them go think and say they be brother and sisters, because everything wey they do now with feeling. Twin flame, once person meet im own twin flame, e go be like say you don know the person tey for very long time. Na so twin flame connection dey be. Some of the twin flame sef dey even dey dream before e even know the other im partner. E don even dream see am sef. Some of the twin flame be like that. And sometimes if this one get calling, the other one also automatically go also get calling. Two of them na dey awake the same time. Two of them na dey see the same vision at the same time. Anything wey happen to this one, e don already happen to the other one. If they dey look each other, they dey see it through each other soul, through their eyes. They dey see wetin the other one dey feel. They dey see wetin they dey feel wetin the other one dey think. The other one na the energy. This one, if this one dey down, the other one na go support am, make e gather im energy up again. That is how the connection be for two of them, for twin flame. I don tell una about telepathy. They always dey think the same thing. They feel the same thing. Everything wey get to do with feeling, mind, thinking, telepathy, na the same thing na they share. It is between two of them, na unconditional love. This one no dey get any expectation for the other one. None of them dey expect anything from them. And if this one dey do something, automatically for the other one it is normal, because of the connection wey dey between two of them. He no need to ask the other one before he go do the thing, because he know say wetin he dey do na wetin the other one also go still feel like doing. They always dey feel like returning home. If two twin flames dey together, e be like say they don dey home. E just be like say years long, una life long, una dey find that one particular person. Then e come meet the person na come complete am a whole. So for the person, na home na the person dey. Two of them dey feel the same thing, both body and soul. And these two and the twin flames, they can never be separated. Nobody fit separate them. No matter who that person is, nobody and anything fit separate both of them. That is the difference between twin flame and soulmate. Thank you all for listening to me. Have a nice Sunday wherever you are. go back home successfully in health. Goodbye.